Okay, now we have Calibre open and it's time to add a book. And before we add a book, I'd actually like to go to the document that we're going to add and point out a couple of things first. This is an example Word document of one of my books called The Little Universe. And this book is already properly formatted. And we're not going to teach formatting in this course because that's a huge course all in itself. There's actually a link to one of my courses that teaches that in the useful links section if you want to learn more about formatting. But if we scroll down past the title page and the copyright page to the table of contents, you'll see that this table of contents was actually formed using the References tab and inserting a table of contents as KDP Amazon recommends. There are other ways to create table of contents, and they're going to work just fine in Calibre as well. For example, this book is called Better You, Better Me, and if we scroll down to the table of contents, you'll see that it has a different style. These are actually hyperlinks that are created manually. So these are really two different ways to create table of contents, and they're both going to work just fine in Calibre. Either one of these, if you touch the Control button and click on it, it will go to the location in the book that it's meant to go to. Now I want to show you one more thing about these documents before we upload. In Microsoft Word, and it may be different in your program, but it may be similar, if you go through the Save As function, and you may notice that there are some elements down here, authors, tags, and titles. And I've actually filled them out. Obviously my name is here, and these are tags or keywords that go with the book. And then of course the title is in here. Yours may not be filled out, but it's a good idea to fill them out. This is metadata, and it will upload to Calibre, or you can insert it to Calibre. Either way is fine. And this is the other book, The Little Universe, and you can see the same things going on here. If you click the Save As button, you'll see that the author's name is filled out. There are tags, which are keywords, and also the title. Again, you can input this information in Calibre once you've uploaded the book. And all you have to do is click on the Add Books button, and then choose your document. In this example, it will be Better You, Better Me. And because there's no cover image, it's actually creating this one image from my About the Author page because that's the only image that's in the document. We're going to be adding covers and metadata information soon enough. Let's add one more book. Click Add Books, and we'll choose The Little Universe for the KDP version of that book. And again, there's no image inside the book except for the About the Author image, and that's why it's put that as its cover image. We're going to fix all of that next.